Hoverboards and self-balancing scooters have transformed urban commuting and recreational activities, providing a fun and eco-friendly way to get around. With various options flooding the market, it can be challenging to determine which ones offer the best features, safety, and performance. This video highlights the top 5 hoverboards and self-balancing scooters available on AliExpress, ensuring you find the perfect ride for your needs. Number 1. Tomalu Hoverboard. The Tomalu Hoverboard is an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned riders. With its sleek design, it combines style with advanced technology to deliver a thrilling riding experience. This hoverboard is not only aesthetically pleasing but also practical, featuring Bluetooth connectivity that allows users to connect their devices for music playback. The Tomalu Hoverboard offers a maximum speed of 9.3 miles per hour, making it perfect for both leisurely rides and more adventurous outings. The battery provides a range of up to 12 miles on a single charge, ensuring ample distance for everyday use. Safety is paramount, and the Tomalu Hoverboard is UL 2272 certified, which means it has undergone rigorous testing to ensure electrical safety and fire prevention. This feature gives parents peace of mind while their children enjoy their rides. With colorful LED lights and robust wheels, the Tomalu Hoverboard stands out in any environment, especially during nighttime rides. Key features: speed and range. With a maximum speed of 9.3 miles per hour and a range of up to 12 miles, this hoverboard is ideal for both short commutes and longer adventures. Safety certification. UL 2272 certification guarantees that the hoverboard meets strict safety standards, ensuring reliability during use. Bluetooth connectivity. Built-in Bluetooth speakers allow riders to enjoy their favorite tunes while cruising. LED lights. Equipped with colorful LED lights, this hoverboard enhances visibility and safety during low light conditions. Weight capacity. Supports riders weighing between 44 and 220 pounds, making it suitable for various users. Number 2. Swagtran T580 Hoverboard. The Swagtran T580 is another fantastic option in the realm of hoverboards, known for its robust build and advanced features. This model stands out with its user-friendly design, making it a great choice for all age groups. With a top speed of 8 miles per hour and a range of up to 8 miles, the T580 ensures a smooth ride over various terrains. Its built-in Bluetooth speaker enables riders to listen to music or take calls while navigating the streets. The Swagtran T580 also emphasizes safety, featuring non-slip foot pads and a sturdy frame to withstand impacts. Additionally, the hoverboard is equipped with LED lights that not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also improve visibility in low light conditions. Whether you're commuting or simply enjoying a ride in the park, the T580 provides a reliable and enjoyable experience. Key features: speed and range. The T580 reaches speeds of up to 8 miles per hour and can travel up to 8 miles on a single charge. User-friendly, designed for riders of all skill levels, making it easy to learn and enjoy. Bluetooth connectivity. Listen to music or take calls with the integrated Bluetooth speaker. Safety features. Non-slip foot pads and a sturdy frame enhance rider safety during use. LED lights. Bright LED lights improve visibility and add to the hoverboard's appeal. Number 3. Epic Go Sport Hoverboard. For those seeking a rugged and powerful ride, the Epic Go Sport Hoverboard is an outstanding choice. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, this hoverboard features larger tires and a powerful motor, allowing it to tackle various terrains, including grass and gravel. With a top speed of 10 miles per hour and a range of 10 miles, the Epic Go Sport offers both performance and versatility. This hoverboard is built with durability in mind, featuring an aluminum frame that can withstand rough handling. Additionally, it is UL 2272 certified, ensuring safety during operation. The Epicgo Sport also comes equipped with powerful LED lights and a Bluetooth speaker, enhancing your riding experience and making it a perfect companion for outdoor adventures. Key features: speed and range, achieves speeds of up to 10 miles per hour, and covers a distance of 10 miles on a single charge. Durability, constructed with a robust aluminum frame, it can handle rough terrains and outdoor conditions. All-terrain capability, larger tires allow for smooth rides on grass, gravel, and other challenging surfaces. Safety certification, UL 2272 certified for electrical safety, providing peace of mind to riders. Bluetooth connectivity, enjoy music on the go with the built-in Bluetooth speaker. Number 4, Razor Hovertrax 2.0. The Razor Hovertrax 2.0 is a perfect blend of performance and safety, making it one of the top hoverboards available. With a sleek design and advanced technology, this model is designed for both kids and adults. It offers a top speed of 8 miles per hour and can travel up to 60 minutes on a single charge. The Hovertrax 2.0 features Razor's EverBalance technology, which ensures that the board remains level and stable, making it easier for beginners to ride. Safety is a significant focus, as evidenced by its UL 2272 certification. The Hovertrax 2.0 also comes with bright LED lights and a battery indicator, allowing riders to be aware of their power levels during use. With its user-friendly interface and smooth ride, the Razor Hovertrax 2.0 is perfect for anyone looking to experience the thrill of hoverboarding. Key features: speed and range, reaches a maximum speed of 8 miles per hour with up to 60 minutes of ride time. EverBalance technology, keeps the hoverboard level and stable for easy riding. Safety certification, UL 2272 certified for safe electrical performance. Battery indicator, displays remaining battery life for rider convenience. LED lights, features bright LED lights for enhanced visibility and safety. Number 5, Gyro Warrior Hoverboard. The Gyro Warrior Hoverboard is designed for thrill seekers and adventurous riders. With its powerful dual motors, this hoverboard can reach speeds of up to 9.3 miles per hour and conquer inclines of up to 30 degrees. It offers a range of 9.3 miles, making it suitable for longer rides and more challenging terrains. The Gyro Warrior is built to withstand rugged use, featuring a durable design that is resistant to impacts. Safety is also prioritized, with UL 2272 certification ensuring it meets high safety standards. The hoverboard is equipped with colorful LED lights, adding flair to your ride while improving visibility. Additionally, the Gyro Warrior features Bluetooth speakers, allowing you to enjoy music while riding. This model is perfect for riders who want a robust and exciting hoverboard experience. Key features: speed and range, achieve speeds of up to 9.3 miles per hour with a range of 9.3 miles. Powerful motors, dual motors provide enhanced performance and the ability to tackle steep inclines. Durable design, built to endure rough use, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. Safety certification, UL 2272 certified for electrical safety. Bluetooth connectivity, built-in Bluetooth speakers allow for music playback while riding. Conclusion: choosing the right hoverboard or self-balancing scooter can greatly enhance your riding experience, whether you're commuting or simply having fun. Each of the top 5 models mentioned above, Tomalu, Swagtran T580, Epicgo Sport, Razor Hovertrax 2.0, and Gyro Warrior, offers unique features catering to different needs and preferences. From safety certifications to Bluetooth connectivity and rugged designs, these hoverboards provide exciting options for riders of all skill levels.